Hey friends, welcome back. I wanted to come on to do another layout using my March 2026 Shimmerz Paints kits. Now, I'm having the toughest time picking out what I want to use because all of the goodies are speaking to me. I'm getting my 1982 kind of color scheme going and I am here for it. What you see me doing right here is I'm activating my little watercolor paints. It lets them get ready for me instead of me having to wait on them. So I do have the paper kits. I've got the color kits and the bonus bundle. And that's as far as what I can tell you. I did use clear gesso on this page. You can see that I've got just a little bit of texture on it. And I did it just because I knew I was going to use this page for a background. I have no idea really what I want to do with it, but that's as far as I knew. Now this paper with the stripes, it is so stinking cute. I might want to keep this for something. So let me go ahead. Oh no, but I want my stripes going this way. Well, sacrifices must be made. So I don't really know what I want to do yet. I just know that I wanted some torn edges and I wanted to start creating. That's as far as I knew. Oh, and this is my photo. This is my son-in-law, Nick, kissing my daughter. These were engagement photos. So how fun is that? So that might be fun to have that with some mixed media kind of blobbing right around here. What do you guys think? So let's go ahead and just do that so it can dry while I'm doing other things. So let's see where to start. All right, so I've got a paintbrush. I've got a cup with some water next to me. Great. So this color that I'm using here is called Blue Lagoon. It is stunning. And you guys, when I get my kits, I kind of prep everything by, I just go ahead and use a skinny Sharpie and write the names of things on the back. Not a big deal, just something I do. You guys, this is just the playtime fun time. I'm getting this on here, just doing some splatties. And yes, lots of my mixed media will get covered. Totally fine. It's totally fine. It's kind of part of the fun of mixed media is you just kind of see what you get at the end. You're like, oh, what have we here? So I've got that color. It is stunning. And then this one is Me and Blue, which is my pup's name is Blue, so it's probably based on that. But I've always been such a fan of this color, and it gives you so much pearly, not glitter. It's definitely more pearly kind of payoff that it's just icy goodness. It is. It's sky blue. It's if you have a winter layout, it's icy goodness blue. So super pretty there. So I wanted it kind of bluey, right? Since I wanted it bluey, let me go in with my Rockin' Robin color splash and give it a nice little roll and see what we get. You did see, I hope you saw that I did hit my background with a little bit of water first. Now I have gesso on there, so it's creating a nice little barrier if I got gesso everywhere that I wanted it to. So that does save me. I'm still going to get warping, but guys, when you put stuff in your album, after a while, it settles down. My photos always have a nice little bit of wave in them, but hey, does not bother me at all. I love to know that I used my goodies. So that's kind of how I look at it. So I'm definitely going pretty blue on that. Now, let me get just a little bit of purple peony in here. Just a little bit. I was thinking of being heavily into the blue, but this color just wants its moment. It does. It is a stunner. Stunner, stunner, stunner. So I'm going to have to put this aside to dry, I think. Or should I be super impatient and just keep creating and make a mess? That's super possible too. Okay, I thought I was barely going to use this, but the color and the way it's spreading, it is pretty. A little bit here. There we go. So I have that. Let me get my water bottle and just give things a spritz. So it gives me a little bit of a tie-dye vibe, which is so strong in our die cuts. So that is fun. Now I don't want it to go too far over there. So I'm like, excuse me, sir. You're gonna just have to behave. Okay, so I've had all of 10 minutes. I took a phone call. It's still wet. Like, yeah, it's still wet. It is. I can't even pretend. Do you see the shine? But I want to keep working on it. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of dry adhesive on, because I know, well, now it won't stick to the top and the bottom because I have gesso on there. Let me also go ahead and give it a nice little bit of liquid adhesive. Can't believe my liquid adhesive is coming out. This is a grand day for us. Okay, so we're just gonna put it down regardless because I'm having the need to create. That's why. Okay, so we can go like that. Do you see, like, it curled right up because I have this dry straight paper coming down. Oh yes, the mixed media issues we face. Okay, so we have that. It's gonna fight with me a little bit. It's fine. Now I have to figure out, oh, see how well that photo shows up now? Now what I need to do is get a solid color, and I think I'll use some of this pink. This paper is so cute. It has these cute little tiny hearts on white on the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a piece of this, and then you guys, super simple design, just a band design, oops, on there. And really, sometimes simple designs work out perfectly. I've got some mixed media going, which we like. Now, my first layout, I used all of my dots, but I did create some little shiny bits using a punch and some, what did I use? Oh, Nouveau, is it called Crystal Glaze? Yeah, Nouveau Crystal Glaze. So I'll use those. It was fun. It was fun to try it and see, and it really didn't take a terribly long time to dry. That was my concern, but it really didn't. I was hunting for a little piece of foamy bits. If I put my photo down on this kind of mat, it sticks to it, so that's a problem. Okay, so we have this, and then we have this. It's nice that the stripes kind of help me with figuring out my placement. Okay, now we can do a title. Now we have 2 more titles left here. Oh my gosh. So remember actually really works for this. And I'm going to have it say, do you remember? Because they got married on the 21st of September. So if you know the song, you know the song. So I'm going to say, do you remember? So I'm going to find letters. It's going to take me forever because it does. That's an X. Here's a Y. So I just have to go through the process to find the letters. No big deal. Is that a D? No, that's a G. Okay, so I'm going to do that off camera so you guys don't suffer. Here's a D. There's an O. So it'll have, do you remember for the title? I think I'll pop this up, and that's going to be so cute. Then I told you that I made these little embellishments here, and they're so shiny. And I just used a little glaze in the center and then punched them out with a heart. And this is from one of our really cute pattern papers. So super easy project. I'll use those, but let's see what we have here. Oh, it has 2 little people. Maybe we can do that under the do you remember because it has the 2. Oh, I can do it up top. That's so cute. Okay, that brings that together. I think a guitar totally makes sense because I'm going from a title of a song. We can have that up there. Stop it, this is cute. Oh, and we've got the cutest sequins mix. It has, oh, I get so excited about the little things. It's got these little flowers and they create really cute dimension, and there's sparkly bits and like these little like plasticky rings. So really cute sequins mix that will be a part of this as well. I should create a little sequin shelf with it. So I've got that. How about a couple of these little tie-dyed flowers to come off this bit? Because I like the idea of a couple things coming off. I think that would be really fun. So then I'm thinking these are from the coloring sheet that we received. I could go ahead and, there's 3. I was looking like, where's my other one? I can go ahead and use, oh, I think the 2 purple on the bottom for the weight and that on the top. You guys, this is almost done. Oh my word. Sometimes it is like that. So let's see. I love this little aqua color, but I need a pink right here. I'm gonna have a shiny, shiny pink right there. I can have this, and then let's see. Maybe this right here. I think that would be cute. And then if I go ahead and pop on a bunch of the sequins, this is gonna be done. So let me mess with this. I have to find my letters. I have to put things up on foam, all of those kind of things that are kind of boring to watch. You know. And I'll show you my finished layout. So guys, this came together so quickly. I mean, it's gorgeous product. It all just makes sense to me. I did layer up some of my cute little sequins in my floral centers, so that's fun. The only thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just do some splatters with the same colors of Mixed Media Goodies. I'm gonna just use Me and Blue, I'm gonna use Purple Peony and Blue Lagoon. I think that's what I will do. Pretty much just because I wanted to get a little bit of the background onto the foreground. So let's see how it goes. I gave this another little spritz of water because I hadn't had any on there for a second. And I'm gonna go, for me, gentle around these embellishments. Just to show a little bit of the same colors coming through. I think it'll be fun. It's pretty. Just a little something, something. And then guys, of course, I will have links down below for the Facebook group, the blog, and the website. So you guys can go ahead and grab your goodies. When you guys place an order, put my name in the comments to score a freebie. Also lets them know that I sent you. You know, so maybe they'll keep me. We'll see. And I think that's all of the, like the PSA I have to give you. You know what? I think I'm going to just stick with Me and Blue and Purple Peony. It's doing the most. The Me and Blue is giving me this really gorgeous kind of like frosty vibe, which I really like. And I like it on the Purple Peony flowers. So that's cool. A little something extra. So super fun. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you guys today. And I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Of course, I'll have a few still shots to follow. Let me bring this up. And we have got ourselves a fun little layout. So much fun with mixed media goodness and this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Well, bye for now, friends.